Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on TECNO Pova 6 Neo. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and then you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account and then click Agree. Now your account should be removed, so now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign In. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I click Next to recover it. And here I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. Then click Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.